booty, you get push to start, right? You get to set which car you want to drive in, you get sports, and you get a sound effect when you do it. Listen, eco, you get sport, you get smart, right? This is a 1.5 turbo. This is pushing 130 kilowatts. This is about 305 Newton meters. So this is 174 horsepower. Pretty great. All right, this is the heart of the beast. All right, this is a 1.5 turbo, 130 kilowatts. That's 174 horsepower, 7-speed DCT, 7.7. Those are claimed figures on the fuel consumption. Looking at 9, looking at 10, depending on how you drive. Yeah, this is a bike. All right, bike.